to show you how he is in the morning. He knows that I'm leaving soon. Because he saw me putting on my socks. And he tried to take my socks off like, you're not going anywhere. You can't take your socks. That's right. I'm saying, no. He's a fussy man. I'm going to tear him neck. Yes, sir. So, yep. Just wanted to show you the big baby that I deal with. The last 30 minutes of, until about 7:30 to about 8, till they leave. And then at 8, it kind of like volcanoes into like the explosion, which is when he gets into the car seat. And he just cries and cries. Hey, say hi.